Hey guys, I am Mr. Asset. Today I want to talk to you about the new Fluz Chrome extension. So we know what Fluz is. We know it's a cashback app where we get cash back for buying gift cards. So now they've made it even easier to earn instant cash back online when you use Chrome if you download the Chrome extension. So right here on my monitor, you can see it behind me here. Here is the Fluz for Chrome. I already have it installed. So I'm not going to remove it, but you just Google, in Google Chrome, Google Fluz extension. It'll be the first thing that pops up, and then add it to Chrome. Alright, so I already have it here, so I'm going to close it. And then I'm also going to show you how it is easy to earn cash back in conjunction with Fluz. So I don't want you to just use Fluz, I want you to use Fluz with something. So right now, I'm going to make a purchase on Walmart.com. I'm going to click through to Walmart.com using Rakuten. You probably already know what Rakuten is. It's a cashback app where you get cash back online when you use Rakuten to navigate to the website that you are purchasing it from. Alright, so here we go. I've already got Rakuten pulled up on my screen. You guys can see it here behind me. I'm going to click shop now. I'm going to earn up to 3% cash back. So how it works is you can't have anything in your cart already either, right? So here we are. Here's Walmart.com. I already have the items picked out, so I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time going through and picking the items. So it is already in my saved for later items right here. They can't be in your cart. They can be in saved for later. So you can then just move it to cart. And if you already noticed down here on the bottom, Fluz has already popped up. So I can earn a 0.5% cash back from my purchase at Walmart.com. And that's what I'm here to show you how to do. So I'm adding all of these items that I've already previously selected. Or I should say my wife has previously selected. Alright. So here we are. I'm ready to check out. So I hit checkout because I want to learn what my delivery fees are going to be and my taxes and fees are going to be, right? So everything's going to be delivery. Looks like most everything is going to be here through Monday, but with the holidays coming up and Black Friday, especially this year, Black Friday is going to be pretty much exclusively online. So I suggest you put Fluz for Chrome on your computer if you're going to do a lot of online shopping. Alright, so here we go. We're going to ship it to my address. I will hopefully blur that out. Continue. I am going to add a gift card right here, right? So, oh, see, these are previous gift cards that are already here. So anyone that has 0, I'm going to delete. Delete that one. Alright, so I can add a new gift card now. Right, so here's my remaining balance, $40.29. So I'm going to click earn 0.5% cash back. I've already got my Fluz account set up, right? That's the best part. So this is for people who already have Fluz set up. And if you don't have it set up, it takes 5, maybe 10 minutes to download the Fluz app on your phone, set up your account, verify yourself, and then download the Fluz Chrome extension. Alright, so I have everything here. I'm going to type in the exact amount, $40.29. I'm going to click buy my gift card. I have to type in my 4-digit passcode that you set up when you first set up your Fluz account. I know what mine is. Confirm payment. My credit card is already in Fluz. And here we go. It takes an extra second. My Fluz gift card is generating for Walmart. Well, my Walmart gift card is generating, and there's my card. So I hit copy, add new gift card, paste the gift card number. Here's my PIN. Copy, paste the PIN. I've added the gift card number, the PIN. I click apply gift card. There is my gift card. I now click review my order. Here's my items, $40.29, $40.29. Place order. It is going to be shipped to my house. And there we go. That's how easy it was to earn a 0.5% cash back on Walmart.com with the items that I've already pre-selected. So I want to get cash back through Rakuten. I got cash back instantly through Fluz. So I stacked my rewards with Fluz. I stacked my rewards with my credit card already. So I got my credit card rewards, I got my Fluz rewards, and I got Rakuten rewards. So it's easy as 1, 2, 3, just like that. And so I encourage you to download the Chrome extension, the Fluz Chrome extension. And if you haven't already, download Fluz, use refer code FREE, and get 3 vouchers for 35% cash back at select stores. Walmart is not one of them, but there are plenty of other stores that you shop at.